Hello guys, I am Viraj Sharma. So today I am going to introduce you to Model Recon, which is my AI safety research lab and tooling. So this is my website modelrecon.com where I have all my Model Recon project works. Let me explain you Model Recon in more detail. It is AI safety research and tooling company which creates tools on explainability and AI safety. It is inspired from Anthropic's AI safety research. Safety AI safety research Model Recon work. This is my website of Model Recon. So here this is the research page, and this is my techniques page. And here I'm going to show you all my research and techniques which I've done. So this is my new tool, my Model Recon Tracer, which basically hooks into the model and extracts all the activations and logits of the model. This can work with any kind of model. And my second tool is Model Recon Visualization. So this tool will basically visualize all the attention layers and all the activation layers and all that in a very simplest form. And this is my safety detect model of which will detect safety of an AI model by extracting all of its activations and logits, and after that it will basically give it to another model through which will be trained on all the logits of and the activations of the model, and that is the model safe or not, and then using it will certify whether the model is safe or not. It will supply some sample prompts to which will be executed on the model, and the logits and the activations will be extracted. And today I was working on Activity Cube, which is basically extracting the activations and logits of the model and squeezing it into one JSON of thoughts. Because humans can't understand the thought of the model using its activations and logits. So that was the snapshot of my work. I would like to take this opportunity inviting you all to follow my work. Thank you.